Haji, good morning everyone. Today 11th of May 2021. Now I am going to start the chapter again with the next part, that is map work of the French Revolution. फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन में हमने अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीबीएसई जो हमें सिलेबस है उसमें सिर्फ 4 पार्ट्स हैं जो हमने मैप वर्क के अंदर करने हैं. आई हैड शेयर्ड दैट मैप recently with you in the class group, WhatsApp group. So you can see from that also, like we have to do only that 4 points, and I had given you that. Now I am going to explain as we have one done. One is I am just going to draw here a map. See the outline of the map. Like in this way, we can exactly point out that map of France is there. इसी तरह का है map of France. You can see it on your paper. We have to do only 4 points. One is Marseilles. Is it visible? Marseilles. Then is Bordeaux. Bordeaux. Then is Nantes. Then is Paris. ठीक है. हम लोगों ने ये चारों पॉइंट्स जो है यही करने हैं. दैट वी हैव टू डू इट. मर्सेल्स हमें यहाँ पर आपको अगर विजिबल हो थोड़ा सा इस तरह यहाँ पर मर्सेल्स है वेयर द टॉपिक Marseilles Robert Del Else. He has written that content over here, that song, national song, and here the revolt had started, and then go to the Paris. Paris. वो यहाँ से walk करते हुए गए थे, and then that become the you can say national anthem later on as a France. Is it okay? कोई doubt? Is it okay? कोई doubt? Then 2 trade centers we have to do according to our syllabus, that is Bordeaux. It is over here. अगर आप देखें तो यहाँ पर इस तरह से point जो है और यहाँ पर है Bordeaux. Bordeaux है, ठीक है. और यहाँ पर आपको किनारे पर ही Nantes दिखेगा. ठीक है. Is it okay? So ये 4 points जो है वो हमने as a map of France में करने हैं. You can see which I had shared. Bordeaux and Nantes. So ये हमारा जो concept है ये होता है हमारा French Revolution. अब देखिए 2 states here, Bordeaux and Nantes, ये क्या थे? ये areas थे वो जो सी के एडजेसेंट पार्ट आता था जहां से ट्रैवलिंग जो है वो होती थी, जहां से ट्रेड रूट, स्लेव ट्रेड रूट जो था दैट वाज बीइंग डन लाइक वी हैड डन इन द कंसेप्ट द स्लेव abolition of slave trade. Abolition of slave trade was not being done when the National Assembly was being formed. Because क्यों नहीं बना था? Because National Assembly में basically all the person were industrialists, all the persons were businessmen, and they just want that the power should be concentrated in their hand. That is why third state common people, they had not given their this consensus that slavery should be abolished. So वो नहीं हुई. Slavery abolished किसके time पर हुई? Can anyone tell? Kamal ji. Yes, Chahat. In whose time slavery was being abolished?
Ma'am, Napoleon.
No. No, you are wrong, बच्चे. हाँ जी, सुजल. Yes, अभिनव.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी, किसके टाइम पर हुई slavery abolish?
Ma'am, under Jacobins rule.
Yes, under the Jacobins rule. Convention के टाइम पर हुई. Convention कौन-कौन सी phases थी? State Journal, National Assembly, Convention. Convention में कौन से group of society थे? Jacobins में which group of society were there?
Rich group.
Jacobins में which group of society was there, बच्चे? Yes, anyone? बताया था मैंने। Which group of society was there? Poor section of
Third.
the state.
For the state.
Yes, poor section from the third state. They were there. ठीक है? Clear? Okay. On which date King Louis XVI was given the punishment? कौन सी डेट को किंग लुइस 16 को पनिशमेंट दी गई थी? He was got the charge of treason. Treason का चार्ज दिया गया था. He was given the charge of treason. वो कौन से ईयर में दिया गया था?
Ma'am, 21 January
1993.
1793.
Very good. 21st of January 1793. Louis 16 was charged of treason. देशद्रोही का चार्ज लगाया गया था and he was being punished, and after that Maria Antoinette, his wife, was also being punished in that same way. Okay, so under whose law, under whose region the title of sir and ma'am was being not used? किसके टाइम पर ये था?
Robespierre. Robespierre.
Yes, Jacobin clubs. Yes. Okay. Equality was also being observed in the time of Robespierre, when no any title, special title of sir and ma'am was being given to anyone. No any kind of title was being given sir or ma'am. All were considered to be as the citoyen and citoyenne, यानी के citizens. ठीक है? That was being in. And in whose time church was closed? Church किसके टाइम पर बंद हुई थी?
Robespierre.
Yes, Robespierre. So why the period of Rob? In इतनी सारी changes भी हम कह रहे हैं Robespierre के period में हुए थे. Why this period was considered to be as a reign of terror?
And because he used the policy of severe control and punishment.
Very good. Number 2. Anyone? Anyone? No one? Chahat? Meat and bread was rationed. Look at the page number 18. Robespierre's government issued the policy of maximum ceiling of wages and prices. Maximum ceiling of wages and prices. Meat and bread was rationed. Everyone was supposed to take the floor, whole floor. मतलब white floor was forbidden, and there was no any kind of title was being given. Madam and sir. Only citoyen and citizen was being given. Churches were closed. And one more thing was done. क्या किया था इसने? अभी बताया मैंने. When I used to tell about bird dogs and nantas. क्या करा था कमलजीत?
Ma'am, he abolished the use of sir and madam.
Okay, that is titles. Okay, he abolished the use of titles. Okay, next, or a point.
Churches were shut down and their buildings
were
were
also shut down. Very nice. Next point. Pranjal Luthra, any point comes in your mind? No? Slavery was being abolished. Slavery इसी के टाइम पर abolish हुई थी, but that was only for 10 years. 1794 में इसने abolish की. 1804 में नेपोलियन ने reintroduce कर दी थी. And finally कब वो खत्म हुई थी? 1848 में जाकर. Slavery was finally abolished. That was in 1848. Is it okay? Any doubt to anyone up to this? Please ask. Now the next part I am going to revise from the part that did women had the revolution? How many women's clubs were being formed by the women? How many clubs, women clubs were there?
Ma'am,
About 60. About
60.
60.
Okay, very nice. And how many were getting popularity?
ma'am, two.
Name.
Ma'am,
Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women.
Yes, and the Society of Revolutionary. These were the two women club who raised the demand of what? क्या-क्या demands की थी? Number 1, कौन बताएगा? Balpreet. Women
Voting rights, equal wages.
Equal wages and women should allow to vote.
Voting.
Yes, women should allow to vote, means they want the political right. Number 2, they want to participate in the National Assembly because they were considered as a passive citizen. They were considered as a passive citizen. Passive citizens were those citizens who were not allowed to cast the vote. ठीक है, नेशनल असेंबली के टाइम पर यही था कि पैसिव सिटीजंस थे. Second thing, they want economic right, means right to get to work. Earlier, only first state people were girls were allowed to get education, and other girls were not allowed to get education. But now, with the National Assemblies, natural rights came. The women's also raised their demand to get the education, and after that, with this span of time, women's also get the creation of state schools. Women movement led the creation of state schools. Now girls, schooling was compulsory for girls. Arranged marriages were being done where the consensus of the girls were also being taken. Consensus girls की ली जाती थी, and earlier only the divorce case can be filed from the male, but now it can be done by the female also. So these kinds of basic changes, divorce was becoming legal, and that can be applied by both men and women. So women can now train for the jobs and could become the artist and run the small business. But early, when the women's, before this French Revolution, they were considered as a passive citizens. They were not allowed to go in any other work. But now, anyhow, they were considered to be as a backbone, because when the men were going at the warfare, they were meeting all the external as well as all the domestic works and taking care of their children also. But only extra privileges were given only to the third state. First state की first और second को ही मिलती थी, third state को कोई privileges नहीं मिलती. ठीक है, but धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ? They demanded their equal right in political, economic and social. No doubt, 200 years of struggle, women's got a right to vote in France in 1946. कौन से year में मिला? Women's को right to vote का अधिकार, that is in 1946.
1946.
Is it okay? Any doubt to anyone with the concept of women? Okay, next point आता है abolition of slavery. Slavery. Name the countries involved in the triangle trade. Triangle slave trade. Name the countries involved.
Europe, Africa,
France,
and
America.
Yes.
France.
यूरोप में हम लोग ब्रैकेट में फ्रांस भी लिख सकते हैं. फ्रांस, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर फ्रांस की बात कर रहे हैं. बाकी कंट्रीज भी करती थी, नो डाउट इन इट, हम इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन हम ब्रैकेट में फ्रांस लिखेंगे. फ्रांस, Africa and America. From which two centers of France the merchants were sending their ships to Africa to get the slaves from that area?
Bordeaux
to
Nantas. ठीक है, Bordeaux and Nantas. So ये दो थे. Okay, which kind of trade was being done between America and Europe? Which kind of things were being come from America to England? Name the articles.
Indigo, sugar, and basic
sugar,
commodities.
coffee, and indigo.
Beta, only चाहत is
Sugar,
studying.
coffee, and indigo. Sugar, coffee, and indigo.
Okay, sugar, coffee, indigo. अब indigo पता है क्या होता है? नूरजोत, do you know what is indigo? इंडिगो किसी को पता है क्या होता है? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. इंडिगो क्या होता है कोई भी? यस बलप्रीत, व्हाट इज इंडिगो? हाँ जी साक्षी.
कपड़ों में जब होते हैं तो नील जो देते हैं उसको कहते हैं इंडिगो.
हाँ, जो व्हाइट कपड़ों के ऊपर ब्लू हम लगाते हैं, नील जिसको लगाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडिगो. ये पत्तों की खेती होती है. उन पत्तों को फिर मतलब रखा जाता है. उसके बाद उसके अंदर से कलर निकलता है. उसको फिर प्रोसेसिंग के बाद उसको फिर ग्राइंड करके पाउडर की फॉर्म में और लिक्विड की फॉर्म में हम लोग घर पे भी यूज करते हैं अपनी व्हाइट शर्ट्स के ऊपर लगाने के लिए. सो दैट वाज ग्रेट इन डिमांड बिकॉज cotton industries were more there in England or in France. That is why indigo was great in demand in European countries. हर चीज का अपना एक ना एक कोई ना कोई पॉइंट है जिस कारण उस चीज की डिमांड थी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आता है स्लेव्स. स्लेव्स जो थे, व्हाई द स्लेव ट्रेड वाज देयर, व्हाई दिस यूरोपियन कंट्रीज ट्राइड टू टेक स्लेव्स फ्रॉम द अफ्रीकन कंट्री. क्यों लेते थे वो? साक्षी.
मैम कैन यू रिपीट?
बेटा, why the France trying to take slaves from Africa and given it to America?
मैम आई डोंट नो सर.
Okay, you don't know. अफ्रीका के ऊपर हमारा उनका हक क्यों था? Why Africa was this France was having their control over Africa? Kamal ji.
Yes ma'am.
Why France was having control on Africa?
Ma'am because of trade.
ये ट्रेड के लिए नहीं, मैं कह रही हूँ कि अफ्रीका में कौन सा उनका हक था जिस कारण वहां से वो स्लेव्स लेके अमेरिका को ट्रांसपोर्ट करते थे. बताइए बताइए. क्योंकि दे वर द कॉलोनीज ऑफ अमेरिका, सॉरी फ्रांस. दे वर द कॉलोनीज ऑफ फ्रांस. फ्रांस की कॉलोनीज थी अफ्रीका में. दैट इज व्हाई दे हैव कंट्रोल ओवर देम. एंड अमेरिका में कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा पड़ता था. लेबर्स वर नॉट अवेलेबल, बट दे नीड द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दैट साइड. दैट इज व्हाई France was taking the slaves from Africa as their colony and transporting it to America to reduce the cost of the product so that the product can be easily available to France industries and the industries members can become prosperous. Is it okay? So this triangle trade was being banned or was being abolished in which time and in whose administration time? किसके टाइम पर ये खत्म हुआ?
मैम कन्वेंशन.
Convention, very nice. Convention during the Jacobins. Okay. And in which period again the slavery was being reintroduced? Or feudal system was being reintroduced? Napoleon. And finally the slave was finally abolished in which year?
1848.
1848. Fine. 1848. Okay. Who was the author of two treaties of government? अब आ जाइए पीछे.
John Locke.
हाँ जी. Who was the author of
John Locke.
two treaties of government? Okay, two treaties of government में जॉन लॉक ने क्या कहा था? जल्दी बोलिए प्रांजल.
He sought to refuse the doctrine of divine and absolute right of the monarch.
बेटा थोड़ा बोलो, मुझे सुना नहीं है. कमलजीत सुना आपको? चाहत सुना था?
नो मैम।
मुझे भी नहीं सुना, दोबारा रिपीट करो। यस आर्यन, आर्यन यू टेल।
Ma'am,
Aryan,
he sought to refuse the doctrine of the divine and absolute right of the monarch.
ओके, रट्टा मत मारा करो, रट्टा मत मारा करो, अपनी तरफ से बोलो। हाँ जी, आदित्य, आदित्य नहीं, क्या नाम है इसका, आर्यन शर्मा, आर्यन शर्मा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा। आर्यन, आर्यन आर यू देयर? बलप्रीत, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। ये भागे हुए हैं सारे के सारे। बलप्रीत, हाँ जी, द स्पिरिट ऑफ लॉ। आर्यन शर्मा, द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, स्पिरिट ऑफ लॉ। नहीं, प्रांजल, यस इशिता।
मैम Montesquieu.
Okay, Montesquieu, spirit of law. And which idea was being given by Montesquieu? Which idea was given by Montesquieu?
Ma'am, the division of power within the government.
Within the government, organs of the government, that is legislative, executive, and judiciary. Very nice, Ishita. God bless you. Okay. In which state the National Assembly was busy in making the draft of the Constitution? In which area? The National Assembly was busy in making the draft for the draft of Constitution. That is Versailles. कहाँ पर बना रहे थे? Versailles. Page number 9 पर देखिए. First line. On which day the National Assembly was met at the indoor stadium, tennis indoor stadium at Versailles in Paris?
Ma'am, 20 June.
20
Oh, sorry, 20th June. 20th June. 20th June. Okay. Next is who was Mirabeau? Who was Mirabeau?
Ma'am, she was from the royal family who she did not like feudal system. She
Okay.
wanted to abolish it.
Okay.
From a noble family.
Huh. Okay. About the German, and he had, okay. Abbasius,
A priest in a church.
a priest in a church who has given the influential.
What is the third? What is
What is third state? Okay. Right. Give me the Declaration of Right of Men and Citizens, which were being given in the Constitution in the National Assembly. Yes, Noor. Very simple question. Beta Ji, the Constitution has given right. The National Assembly had made the Constitution, and that Constitution ensures, yes, freedom of speech. Number 2,
equality before law.
very good. Number 3,
Freedom
Right.
of opinion.
freedom of opinion. Okay. Number 4,
Rights such as right to life.
right to life, equality before law. All these were considered to be as a dash rights. All these were considered to be as a natural rights. ये सारे क्या है? हर person के natural rights है. Okay. Next question. The snake biting its own tail. What it signifies? The snake biting.
Symbol of eternity.
Okay, symbol of eternity. Very good. Okay. An eye in the triangle. An eye in the triangle.
Stands for knowledge.
Okay. A winged woman. A winged woman.
Personification of the law.
Okay. who were considered to be as those who without knee breeches? Those who were without knee breeches.
Sandfluters.
Sandfluters, and they were the members of
Jacobian club.
Jacobians. Very good. Tanish, God bless you. बहुत अच्छी तरह से आंसर दिया. How many members were there in the directory rule?
Five.
Very good. 5 members were there. Okay. Now next आ जाता है. अब इस तरह से ज्यादा अच्छी तरह हो रहा है ना चैप्टर? हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now you tell about what do you mean by Marseilles? What is Marseilles?
Ma'am, it was the national song or anthem that
जी.
was composed by that.
Okay. मैं ना वो Google फॉर्म भेज दूं? Okay. देखो सारे चले जाते हैं ना, मैं तब भेजती हूँ ताकि पता लगे पूरे पीरियड किसने लगाया है. आधे निकल गए ना? Okay, who was Napoleon Bonaparte? बलप्रीत, आज तूने कोई भी आंसर नहीं दिया. It means you are not attentive. Switch on your videos at least. 2-3 बच्चे जो दे रहे हैं आंसर, बाकी तो सारे ऐसे बैठे हैं. पूछो सबसे. Just wait, beta. Just wait.
Artisans, shoemaker, pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers.
Very good. These all were considered to be as the members of you can say Jacobin club or this members of that club who had tried to make the convention. Okay? So rich section of society, they had not given up the feudal system or slave trade. Why? When the National Assembly was going on, debates were going on, debates भी चल रही थी कि ये feudal system नहीं होना चाहिए, ये slave trade नहीं होना चाहिए. But actually ये abolish नहीं हुआ. कारण क्या था? What was the reason behind it? Why National Assembly members had not removed or tried to remove that feudal system and slavery? Anyone? No one? Because the rich section of society from the third states were busy in preparing the constitution, and the other section they had debated, but they were not getting the courage, because if they will be going to make the profits of these rich section of societies were come from the trade of running their industries. So if the raw material will not come, then they will be not going to earn their profits and will not be helped to make the freedom struggle or making the constitution for France. That is why all the this system was not abolished in that period of time. Any doubt? Balpreet, Aryan, koi doubt beta? I hope it is clear. And math work, you have to just get it, print out and paste it in your notebook. Fine.